If you are currently taking that generic magnesium from the supermarket to help you sleep better, I have some news for you. You are likely throwing your money straight into the trash. And what is worse, you might actually be wrecking your digestion in the process.
During years of my own health journey, I thought magnesium supplements were a complete scam. I saw no difference. It wasn't until I discovered that my body was rejecting the mineral because of one specific error on the label. But once I fixed this, I didn't just sleep. I finally managed to reverse years of chronic insomnia. The solution is incredibly simple, yet it is the exact opposite of what most pharmacy brands are selling you.
And I know exactly what you were thinking right now. You're thinking, but I take magnesium, and it works a little bit for me. And you are partially right. The problem isn't the mineral itself, the problem is the chelating agent it is attached to. Today, we are going to look at the science behind why most magnesium never reaches your brain, and I will show you the specific molecule that actually crosses the blood-brain barrier effectively. Let's start with the basics. Imagine your brain is like an exclusive VIP club. It has a very strict bouncer at the door known as the blood-brain barrier. This bouncer is there to protect you, to keep toxins out. The problem is that common forms of magnesium, like magnesium oxide, show up to the club wearing cheap clothes. The bouncer takes one look at them and denies them entry. So, where do they go? They stay in your gut. And when magnesium stays in your gut without being absorbed, it draws water in. This is why you might get an upset stomach or a laxative effect instead of a good night's sleep. You want sedation for your brain, not a disaster for your bathroom. This is where the frustration lies. You are seeking hope, looking for a solution to fatigue, but you end up with a product that fails you. You are spending money hoping to fix your rest, but you are buying a form of magnesium that is biologically designed to fail at that specific task. Now let's talk about the game changer. There is a specific form, a Lamborghini of magnesiums, if you will. It is called magnesium L-Threonate. Why is this one different? Because the L-Threonate molecule acts like a VIP pass. It effectively tricks that bouncer, allowing the magnesium to cross that barrier and enter strictly into the brain tissue. When this happens, the magic starts. It doesn't just sit in your stomach. It binds to receptors in the brain that help calm down your nervous system. It lowers the volume of your racing thoughts. It prepares your biological architecture for deep, restorative rest. I want you to hold this idea in your mind for a second. Imagine waking up tomorrow morning without that heavy sensation of brain fog. Feel how easily your body could relax tonight when your head hits the pillow. Observe how different your energy feels when you actually hit the deep stages of REM sleep. This is what it means to give your body the correct form of magnesium. It will improve your sleep, optimize your digestion, and finally give you the peace of mind you have been looking for. However, I have to be honest with you. This is not a magic pill that fixes everything in 5 minutes. While the effects on sleep can be felt quickly, restoring your levels requires consistency. You might need a few weeks to feel the full cognitive benefits, but the investment in your biology is worth it. So here is what I urge you to do today. Go to your cabinet. Pick up your bottle of magnesium, turn it around and read the label.
If it says oxide, you might want to reconsider. If it doesn't say L-Threonate, or at least glycinate, you are missing out on the real potential of this mineral.
Make that switch. Your sleep depends on it. And if you want to know how to supercharge this effect even further, you need to understand how vitamin D plays a role in this process, which I will cover in the next video. So make sure you subscribe so you don't miss that.